Hello, Club Secretary. The purpose of this video is to help you dig a little deeper into the code in these projects and how to start learning how to program. If you're interested, you probably won't need to do this because everything is already set up and working. But if you're curious and you'd like to dig deeper, this video is just going to show you a couple of resources that you can use. So the first thing is you will want to have watched the other videos and see how everything works. And now I'm going to show you, well, first of all, there is a file called Links to Helpful Resources in the Secretary folder. And in there we have a section under Optional, Learn to Code. And we have a few resources for you if you're curious to learn more about how these scripts are written. And the first resource is Google's AppScript reference, and you can get in. You can click on Sheets and Docs, and most of these things are in Sheets. The other resource for you is this Google AppScript for Developers, and this is a course that is highly rated, and I watched a few videos to help get started myself and really enjoyed this course. So I'm showing you that as well. The other thing I would just show you real quick, we jump down here, let's say into our business spreadsheet. So I'll just show you, if I click on tool, there's one little trick sometimes to getting the script editor to open, and I want to show you that. Now, if I go to Tools and click on Script Editor, sometimes it will come up and look like this. Sorry, unable to open the file at this time. This is a weird bug that happens when you are trying to access two accounts on the same computer. If this happens to you, you can go to do a new incognito window, and you can access the program this way. You would go to google.com and you would sign in to the incognito window. I'll put in our email address and our password. No pressure. Okay, and I'm in. And now, if I go to Drive, Executive Committee, Business, File, and if I click on Script Editor now, well, as you know, you've probably noticed these files can take a little while to load, and one of the reasons for that is because we build a custom menu called Run Script, and we link our scripts in there. That's that little bad boy right there, Run Script, and there's our script called Move Voted Items to Completed Sheet. Well, let's look at the code for that, as well as the code for that's behind this big green button to create new business. So I'll click on Tools, Script Editor, and now the script editor works because this incognito tab solves the issue of storing identity in the browser and having an identity conflict between your normal user and the user of the Richland 2500 Toastmasters group. If you're the club secretary, you've probably been given our Chromebook, and that Chromebook will not have this issue at all, so you won't need to worry about that. But if you're on any other computer that you're using a normal account, we'll be on the lookout for that. Well, now you can see the code is organized into two different files. We have code.gs. This is JavaScript, but they're calling it Google Script or .gs as the file extension there. There's one file that does some things for you, and then there's the move voted file that has the move voted items function and the remove empty rows function. And you can learn more about what functions are and how they work by reviewing the educational material that we've already taken a look at in this video. That's it, folks. You are all set to learn and add on to the functionality of these tools in any way that you choose as club secretary. We've handed these tools to you to use and improve on. And in the same way that you don't have to worry too much about losing data with a document file, you can also manage versions of your code through this Manage Versions feature, which will allow you to experiment wildly and create even more innovative solutions. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and wish you a great day.